What's happening, peoples? What's happening? What's happening? Look at gold, man. 49.40. 49.40. Damn. What do you reckon? 5,000 today? Benny. I can't believe we're so close to 5,000 in January. Honestly. It's crazy. Yeehaw. Good morning. Can you believe gold is all the way up here already? Can you believe it? I can't believe it. In fact, let me switch. Madness, madness, madness. Let's switch phones. Michael, what's happening, man? You did you get in at your 45 area? Did you get in? It was a nice little. Oh, it was evening. Good evening. Oh, I forgot where you are. Yeah. Now that area was pretty nice. It's pretty nice. In fact, there's actually a supply zone right here. Little supply zone right here. I mean, it wouldn't have been valid for me because it literally hit the top of the zone, but not a bad little pullback. I mean, if it closed back outside, it would have been a decent entry down here, but I'm still very bullish on gold, so I'm not really trying to take no sells. Not really trying to take no sells. I'm just looking for the buyers back up. If we can close bullish on the 4-hour time frame, I think we're creating a nice support to go back up. Rosie. All right, so let's start with the daily. So daily is currently bearish. We pulled back. We've made a nice bottom wick. 4-hour, it's creating a support. So if we close with a strong bullish candle, I think the next one breaks the high and then continues up. I do think that once gold hits 5,000, we're gonna get a pullback, and this Friday, so I can just see that happening. Honestly, I can see that happening. Honestly, if we, so right now we're really close to the Asian range, very close. If we can stay in the Asian range and push up, I think we retest resistance, break, and then continue up. If we push back out of the Asian range, then I think we get more of a pullback, and we get that Friday sell-off that happens so often. So I'm looking out for that. That's what I'm going to look out for today. But I would love to see gold hit 5,000, because why not? Why not? We're this close. We're this close. I think it hits and then we get a bit of a rejection, because you know it's a psychological level. It's quite a big target. Yeah. So that's the plan. Michael, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? That's what I'm anticipating today. That's what I'm anticipating. So I want to see how these 30-minute candles start closing. We don't have news until 2:45. So what's that? Hour and a half? It's in an hour and 30 minutes wherever you are in the world. Not bad, not bad, not bad. But has everyone had a good London session? Good Asian session? I can't believe it. Echo. Nice supply zone gold is selling from. Yeah, I did just mark that out. I did. It didn't look bad, you know. It didn't actually look bad. I had one right here where we actually broke the low. We pushed down. So I had this marked out here. Only things, when it pushed up, it tapped the top of the range and then it sold back out. But if it didn't hit the top of the range, I would like it a bit more to like continue down. But yeah, where it is now, nah. Haroon, what's going on, man? What's going on? You got chopped today by Nas and US30. Oh, that's too many things. That's too many. What's up, Dobby? What's happening? What's happening? Do you know what, Nas? I was going over some charts with some people that I'm just going through charts with, and Nas was a perfect example of identifying a range. Consolidation. And even they said, they raised a valid question, where do you even look for trades like this? And I was like, you probably wouldn't. It'll be difficult. It'll be difficult. So yeah, man, I don't force it. When I started Nas, it was I think this swing up here, it was nice. It was trending in nice directions. Right now, this chop, this sideways movement, yeah, I don't like it. No me gusta. I don't like it at all. So yeah, I don't force it. What's going on there? So yeah, man. It's not the nicest price action, but gold is the one. So who caught the gold buys yesterday? Who caught the gold buys? This cat. Good morning, Kamal. How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Absolute rocket yesterday. Listen, so I used the that's good, man. Good to hear it. I used the 15-minute. Now, I'm not usually a fan of the 15-minute time frame. I'll be honest with you, it's not really my time frame. But yesterday the 15 was my friend. It helped me get into the trades. So I saw this. We were here, ending the stream. Price had pushed down. It pushed down, then as it started to push back up, remember this was the news candle, this was the news candle right here. So as price started to push back up, I dropped down to the 15-minute time frame. I dropped down to the 15, and then I saw this candle push up, close, and I thought, yeah, gold is going up. So as this candle was flipping bullish, this is where I got in. I was expecting a wick fill and then a break, and that's exactly what happened. So my trade was about here. Yeah, I was at break even by the time we got here, and then it just kept on going. So I wanted a retest of the highs. And so my TP was 48.80. And that's literally where I got out. So that was, yeah, it was an absolute banger right there. About 300, nearly 4,000. It's about 4,000 pips. 400 pips, sorry. 400 pips, I closed that one. Crazy trade. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. It really started hovering as it got back to all-time highs, like right here. Right here, it started hovering. So I thought, once it did retest the highs, I thought we might get a bit of a pullback, which it kind of did here, but it wasn't massive. 148 pips, little pullback, and then just continued up. But yeah, man, this scene support, that's one thing I really love looking at. When there's a trend and we get a support formed, like we needed a bit of a pullback, we had the strong push up, little pullback. This support here, I would call this a strong support because it shows a rejection from the lows with the bottom wick. We've got, it's kind of like a pin bar, and then yeah, this candle opened, respected the low, and yeah, we're up. Real nice, man, real nice. Thank you. Alright, let's see what gold's trying to do today. What do you reckon? Do you think gold's hitting 5,000 today? Do you think gold's hitting 5,000? Do you know what's mad, yeah? Like, you don't think gold's hitting 5,000? I think it's hitting 5,000 and then rejecting it. Maybe next week. Okay. I think we get a Friday sell-off. Friday loves a little sell-off. I don't think I've taken many trades this week. In fact, I haven't taken many trades this week. But the trades I have taken have been mad. They've been nuts. All I need is a few trades a week. That's it. Couple of trades. That carries me over for the whole week, literally. Well, if we close in the 48.55 area, we can hit it. We can hit what, 5,000? Well, you want the pullback there for gold to push back up. 1 or 2 zones a day is enough. Okay. Nice little pullback. I mean, that's why I've got this level marked out down here, like a retest of this previous 4-hour level. I mean, where have you got down here? A bit lower. All right. Okay. I mean, gold can do this pullback easy. Yeah, Yeah, I don't know, man. I have a few zones. I look at different levels. I look for pullbacks at either 4-hour levels or the Asian range. I like retest to the Asian range. I look what happens there. This is the gold pullback. It's taking its time about it. I'm looking for a buy at 49.30. Oh, from right here. It looks like it's pushing back up. It looks like it's pushing back up. We've got some bullish structure. I'm just saying, for me, I'm monitoring 1 or 2 zones, because the longer I look at the chart, the more zones I see. Okay, and that's where the money's going. What's that word there? Going a negative. Got you. I mean, whatever works for you, that's what you got to do, innit? Do what works for you. Do what you've done over and over again. If you're successful, then, you know, that's the plan. Shade, what's happening? What's happening? Good evening. Supply zone sales were nice. Yeah, look so, man. Look so. Nice little push down. What was it? Right in this area. 40, some of that around here. Damn, 200 pips. 200 pips. Yes, gold. Gold really is moving. So news is not until 2:45. Is that it? Is that the only news we have today? Yep. Right after NYSE Open. Let's see if we push up from here, continue this uptrend structure, create a higher low. I want this 4 hour to close like with a strong body. next candle, bottom wick, push up. But if we close below, oof, I don't like when we have a 4-hour resistance and then we create a lower high, because then we really get a drive down. Like here, when we tap a resistance but then close below it, we get some retracements. I can't believe gold is all the way up here. This is nuts. This is nuts. Oh, Echo, you caught the cells. Nice, man. Nice, 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 nice. Good job. Good job. Oh, there were some nice cells. Now, pound yen had the Bank of Japan interest rates yesterday. Oh my god. I don't know what this candle was about, because 7:30, 7:40 for it to open and drop is madness. Like, what caused that? Look at this candle. This is a mad drop right here, you know, on pound yen. How big was it? Crazy move on GJ. This morning, it was a crazy move. It was. Let's see if there's anything. 10 hours ago, no. 5 hours ago, this is the one. Contact suggests the yen move more likely. MOF hitting the phones and checking rates rather than outright intervention. UJ 200 pips down. Almost 200 pips in 5 minutes. I got wicked out. Yes. Okay, so whatever this move was right here, that's what caused the yen to gain some strength. Okay, something to do with the Bank of Japan, I guess. So the yen news that made it drop. In fact, where's my website that I use? Let me check it out. That's 7 was like 5-6 hours ago. Okay, yeah. The Bank of Japan basically talking about they're going to keep raising rates if the economy outlook is realized. Yeah, so it was yen strength. That caused GJ to drop significantly. This is crazy. 230 pips. GJ don't move like this. Guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Give me 1 sec. Alright, I'm back. What have I missed? Nothing. Gold is still here. Gold is still here. Alright, anyone take any trades? Anyone take any trades? I think. So normally I just move my levels up, looking for retests. But I mean, structure wise, two things are either going to happen. We're going to have an uptrend structure going up, or we're going to reject this area and then just have a massive sell-off. We've got these clean ranges down. This clean range as in clean range as in no support resistances from here down to the support. How big is this range? 860 pips. Oh. Wow. But I guess a lot of this is like that, to be fair. Oh, but yeah. Let's go wait for these candles to close some confirmations. This trade this morning was nice though. This continuation pattern right here. 1, 2, 3. Only reason I didn't take this is because of this support right here. Is this support right here. I didn't, you know, I don't like to, the trend for me is, we were pulling back from the highs. I guess we were a little bearish at the time. Daily was bearish, 4 hours bearish. We'd broken this 4-hour low. The fact that we closed on this support and the support was holding, that's what kind of put me off. That's what put me off. But eventually it did play out. It just didn't really go that far. So, I mean, 200 pip candle. 80 pips at the 87 pips if I took the break at a low, and maybe 140 pips, round it up. Am I shorting? Nah, I'm not shorting nothing just yet. I'm not in no trades just yet. I'm waiting till this 4-hour candle closes. I want to see how it closes. If we get a very weak bullish 4-hour candle, then you know what time it is. We have another continuation pattern down on the 4-hour time frame. Let me see. Let's go to the drawings, the good old drawings. Sells, bearish. Boom. Yeah, we'll have, what's the candle looking like? So we've got this strong bearish candle, and then we need a weak bullish one. At the moment, it's looking more like this one here. This one here. We don't have much of a bottom wick. So yeah, it's kind of like this. So if we close like this, I might be looking to take the break of the 4-hour low to get the sells. Yeah. Tanky Banky Friday. What's happening, Ash? That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking tomorrow we get the little Friday sell-off if we close weak bullish here. But I mean, yeah, we could just be pulling back to get more sells in NY, to get better sell positions, sell prices to sell off in NY. If this current push up, you know, doesn't follow through, I think that's what will happen. Friday sell-off, that's right. If we can drop. I would have loved for gold to hit 5,000 before it dropped. Honestly. Let's see last Friday. It was last Friday. Wait. Still in this week. This was last Friday here. So we dropped on the 2 o'clock candle and then came back up. I remember this spike down. Yeah, that wasn't very nice. Wasn't very nice. H4 bearish divergence is present too. Uh-oh. 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 Is it with this high that's pushed up? That's the divergence. This fruit is so good. From my view, gold usually tanks on Friday, then rises back up Monday or Tuesday of next week. RSI. Oh, yes. Yeah. I see it. Little divergence there. Overbought. Both of them. Both overbought. Big time. Cool. Lines up. Lines up nicely. But yeah, Shade, you're right. Gold does love to tank on a Friday. Only issue is the H4 is creating a continuation pattern on the 23.6 bull fib. Well, I think we'll get a pullback for news. I think we'll get a bit of a spike down for PMIs and then price. I'm still pretty bullish on gold. I don't mind a sell-off or a bit of a drop, but I'm still super bullish. When was the last PMIs? Oh yeah, FOREX Factory never tells us. All right, let's find it. Let's go hunting. It's usually the 20-something of the month. Alright, let's take a guess. I want to say... What day is it? Friday. Let's say 26th. No, Boxing Day. Oh, I think this was end of the month, actually. Nope. So maybe here somewhere. Show the whole week. Not this week. Show me this week. Not that week. When were the PMIs? Final PMIs. No. Oh, there we go. 16th of December. Oof. Same day. Okay, I see you. I see you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. I took my time to get there. Alright, let's go to the 15th. We can see the actual reaction. So 16th. 245. Same day as oh man, that was that packed Tuesday. That Tuesday where everything dropped. Oh my god, what a Tuesday that was. Okay, so it was bearish slightly. It doesn't seem like it was super high impact, but there was so much news on that day. Okay, let's go back to today. Look where we were in December, 4300s, just a month ago. Cat, be quiet. So you're thinking some sales, Ash? H1 and H4 are both at 23.6 on the speed for a bull move. Both have a minus 27 TP of 5,000. That's nuts because I am looking for gold to get to 5,000 and then sell off from there. That's what I've been saying since the beginning. I want gold to hit 5,000 and then just drop. Mickey, good evening. Do you know that the goal is to push gold USD to 5,000? I would love that. I would love that. It's a psychological level. Do you know what I mean? It's a nice round target. I think if we tap it, I think the sellers take over. I think everyone's closing positions at 5,000. Bang. And then we drop. But it's not going to be like, it could be a big drop. But it's I think we get a tank from there. And then we can buy our way back up. But yeah. Like, think about it. Every day we hit all-time highs in Asian, and then we pull back, and then we hit all-time highs again in NY, and then yeah, we just chill. Only thing is it's a Friday. Oh, we're so close. We're so close. So close. We might as well just hit it now. What's the high of the day? What's the highest gold got to here? Nope, that's the high. 49.67. Massive. Look, we're still respecting this uptrend structure, although this is a very weak bullish candle. Twenty-ninth. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. Look at this crazy pound yen candle, man. 200 pips in 5 minutes. Boom. 5 minutes. When does pound yen move like this? I told someone GJ or UJ would be a nice starter pair because it's slow, and then this ridiculous candle happens. I wonder if it happened on... Nah, yeah, it's all pound. It's all yen pairs. Yeah, it'd only be on yen pairs. Mickey Gold, we gonna push seriously? Yes, I hope so. I hope so, John. I hope so. I hope so. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Right, looks like gold is giving us a decent 4-hour candle. It's not as weak as I wanted it to be. It's got pretty strong body, so I mean, we respected this previous 4-hour low. I kind of think gold is going to push back up. We're still closing inside the Asian range, so I do like the buys up. So up, bottom wick, push up, hit 5,000, boom. It's already late for me. I got 8 AM classes. Fucking ain't gonna sleep. I want to see gold hit 5K today. Ooh, you got class on a Saturday? Yesterday I said it's going to 5,000, but today it has to push it up, push up a bit. Mickey, yeah, why not, man? Why not? Why not? I thought we were close to. I thought we were gonna hit 5,000 during Asian session. You know, gold's been rocketing during Asian. Gold's going to 5,000 next month, man. Man, listen. I don't know, man. I don't know. Next month is it's kind of far away. It's kind of far away. I'm definitely not one to call the top for anything. I wait until I see what's gonna happen, and then, you know, I take it there. I take it from there. NFP CPI. I don't know, man. I don't know. I think it's making pretty good movement up there now. If we break this previous 4-hour high, I think we keep pushing up. Keep pushing up. We're not far. And most of these daily candles have been huge. So why wouldn't today be a massive daily candle too? How big? Look, let's see, 930 pips. 1,320 pips. 1,665 pips. And today's candle is only 670 pips. Yeah, man. We've got somewhere to go. We've got somewhere to go. We've got further to go. Either up or down. Look, it's only... Look, 970 pips from the lows to get to 5,000. Yeah. It's not bad math. Especially when every day's been over 1,000 pips. So let's go, Goldie. Let's go. I mean, man, yesterday's buys up were nice. Ash, where did you end up closing? Because once gold broke out above here, I was done anyway. But when I looked back in the evening, I saw it was in like 49.30. I was like, damn. But that was a runner. That was a runner and a half. Right around 48.80, tried to get both positions to 1,000 pips. Oh, nice. Nice. Yesterday, gold hit all my predictions, but didn't stick to it. So I said, like right before the stream ended, well, the stream was ending, and I put in the chat, if we fill this wick, then gold is gonna push up, and that's literally that was my signal. That was the signal I tried to give. But it was a bit too late, man. I was already ending the stream, and then it just took off. It took off. It took off. It took right off. Be like that sometimes. Sent you a video on Discord. Alright, here we go, gold. Sorry, I'm still down here. Da, 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 da. Maybe a sell around 55. Yeah, I'm not looking for sells, you know, I'll be honest with you. But good luck though. But me no want no sell. I buy me one. Oh my god, where's this girl screaming about? Maybe price going to the daily flip first. Yeah, I wouldn't mind a tap of the daily flip. Yeah, wouldn't mind seeing a little tap here, but I think we're gonna get a slow trickle up. I'm thinking to take a break at this 4-hour high, to be honest. Up here. But I want to see it. Yeah, I do want to see what happens at the daily flip. I think we get a little pullback and let's continue up. If this candle closes above 49.40, I might take buys. I love it, love it. In buys from 49.24 and 49.31. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. There's some good entries down there, Dobby. Some real nice entries. Oh, look at that pullback in there. What's your TP, Dobby? My TP is to the moon. Ideally, you mean 5,000? It's at 49.57. No, I got you, man. I got you. Okay, so TP1 is like 49.57. Was that TP5, but you want it to push a bit higher. I think this thing is gonna go, you know. Once we break this 4-hour high, I think gold is gone. Alright, let's see. What's the 15 time frame looking like? 15's a flipping huge candle as well. I just joined. Can you please explain your setup? Usually I'm looking for breakouts. I'm looking for breakouts, or if I'm looking for a buy, I want to buy from a support back to a high. So, I mean, based on this 4-hour time frame here, based on the 4-hour, I mean, I would like it if this was a 30-minute, but it is what it is. So yeah, break of the high, after support form, break of the high, back to resistance, basically. Back up to resistance. It's not even a 1-to-1 right now. Sad, but I need at least a 1-to-1 risk rewards. I need at least a 1-to-1, which I don't have. So if I can get maybe just a little pullback, I need a smaller stop loss. A smaller stop loss, so I have at least a 1-to-1. That's the issue right now. See, look, 15 is sort of like the lowest time frame that I use for a stop loss, and it's still, yeah, it's huge. It's huge. But I mean, in cases like that, if I have to take it, then I'll just reduce my risk. But I also think we're going to get a bit of a reaction at the daily open, which is only 70 pips away. Hello, but did you... Hold on, let me see so I can read this. Did you take a trade from 49.30 on your chart for a buy? It looks good on the 15. Down here, I didn't. Oh. 49.30 on the 15. Nah, just because this bullish candle that looks very weak, I wouldn't buy on this candle. Not with a long top wick, I wouldn't. No. Now it looks good on the lower time frames. It looks good. So on the 5-minute, it looks good. So the 5-minute, you kind of have a double bottom. Or you have a push up and then a retest and then a push up. So like this here, the fact that it created a higher low, this is a nice setup right here. And then the support is retested too. You know what I mean? This support. So it created a support, pushed up, came back, tapped it, closed higher, pushed up. That's a nice trade right there. Nice entry, I would say, here. Made predictions while the candle's still moving and it hits. Oof. Yeah, see, just gotta wait sometimes, you know? Gotta wait sometimes. It's not a nice pullback right there. It's at the new 15 just opened, yeah. I like this retest. If it can stay above. Flip bullish, fill the wick, drive up. It'd be like that sometimes. 70 pips. A little pullback after the H4 broke highs by a little. I know. It looks like you also had the hammer candle or pin bar candle, although the strategy works with much higher time frame. Much higher time frame with volume. Yeah, I just don't really execute off like 15-minute levels, so if this candle stays above 49.40, it will be a support for me, and then it should go up from here. Alright, it's a plan, it's a plan. And we've got PMIs in half an hour as well. Alright, let's see if this 15 flips, fills the wick, breaks the high, pushes up now. I don't like late Friday news, I know, innit? I know. I don't like news sometimes in general. Always makes price act different. Alright, let's see. We're gonna get that flip and drive up. Alright. Shit, we've got NYSE open as well. In 9 minutes. Do I want to be in a trade before then? That is the question. I don't want to wait till after. Long wick from this candle. Think so. It's like 70 pips. Well, no, it's not 70 pips. It's like 50 pips. That's not that bad. It's not that bad. From the open to the bottom wick, this is actually pretty decent. Got that retest there. Still maintaining this bullish structure. It's looking good. Gold going to daily flip near 49.52, perhaps to the top of Asian range. It's pretty textbook for gold. NY session, especially if we close to get low time frame candle bodies closing in the range. I think it goes up. We've kind of had that reaction to closing back in here. We pushed out and now we're pushing back in, so I see it. I bought. Nah, not yet. Not yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet. I kind of want to wait for a break of this high, to be honest. I kind of want to wait for this high to be broken, because this candle came up, retested the high and came back down. So I really want to, I think breaking this high would be a good confirmation. Price is going to continue up. So yeah, I'm waiting for that, because I'm not like how we tested it and then dropped. It's a 4-hour break as well. So yeah, normally, well, yeah, I normally anticipate more of a push when we break 4-hour levels, 4-hour highs and lows. Look, gold lights acting up. No, gold is not trying to drive up, is it? It will pop though. Once it pushes, it's gonna push. I think we'll get something similar to yesterday, where eventually when we break out, we're just gonna like take off. So we might even get a little drop after the news and then continue. Let's see, 20 minutes for that. 20 minutes. Benny, did you get in? You said you're gonna take the flip. You're not in yet. Why hasn't flipped back up yet, has it? Now we got NYSE open in 5, but I think we might range until the news anyway. No direction on this thing, none. We're up, we're down, we're up, we're down, up, we're down. Like, come on, man. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? It's not, I don't feel like it's like super high impact news. We'll just get a little spike. Nah, not yet, not in yet. Alright. This drive up is slow. Flash PMI usually moves more than ISM PMIs, and they are predicting it to go over the 50 benchmark. So when these numbers are good, it's usually bearish for gold because it's good for the DXY. It goes like that. That's typically how it goes. I don't even remember what happened last time, but yeah, we looked at it in December. Maybe we didn't see much movement because we had so much news on that day. So yeah, I'm thinking, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't feel like this is gonna be crazy high impact. Oh, sorry. Someone could say I saw what should I do? Oh. I'm thinking this is just a pullback for gold to like drive down, but I really want it to hit 5,000 first. That's it. That might be it for gold this week. That might be the highs. That might be it. 49.57. That's the highs of the week. Sunday. Oh my god. If we don't tap 5,000 today, we're gonna hit in Sunday. When the market opens, we'll get maybe another gap. So we've had gaps every single Sunday. Every market open at the beginning of the week, we've had gaps. So I can see another little gap happening Sunday, push up. No, I might even test that out. Hit buys at the end of the day and see what happens. gold, you're not gonna bless me today. And it went back down into my range. Went back to your range. I'm still watching the structure right here. As long as this structure stays pretty bullish, no, I think gold goes up, because it hasn't made a new low yet. But at the same time, I didn't even notice this 30-minute candle. This don't look good right here. This don't look good. It's struggling to push back up in the Asian range. Okay, we're gonna get a drive up here. Market open. We're gonna get a drive up. Oh my god, isn't she? Isn't she? It's a shame. I was actually thinking to use this bottom wick as a stop loss. A nice, even bigger bottom wick on this current candle. GJ looks nuts. And it gapped up for PMIs. Oof. Dun, 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 dun. It does look like a break and retest. Benny, you got in here. Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I won't give back none of them profits I made yesterday. That was a nice trade. Full positions as well. Well, I had two positions on. I closed one early. I closed one pretty early and just left one running. I just left one running because I thought gold is gonna push. No, I closed. I didn't have a runner. I had two positions and I just closed one. So I guess, yeah, I'll kind of call it a runner. I closed at 48, 48, 80, 48, 79 and change. Like very close to my TP. Remember I came like a pip away from my TP yesterday. I got out. Yeah, it was pushing up. Didn't quite tap. It came back down and then, yeah, it's about 48, 79 something up here. Scalping some quick buys. We're going to close before news. Yeah, that's another thing. I think I want to wait until after news to look for a trade. Get that out of the way and then let Friday be Friday. Let Friday be Friday. For me, it's just all about the stop loss, man. If these stop losses weren't so big, I wouldn't even both sets. What's the second news? Oh, this. Nah. I don't even count this as anything. I don't think it does much. Every time I've looked back at what it's done, I don't think it's done much. When was this last news? December the 19th. Was it by itself? Take a quick look. At 3. I had a little push up. Was it 3 o'clock? Not bad. 120 pips. Not bad. Yeah, I don't really care about that second little news. Go on, gold, re-break this 4-hour high. Push. Benny Badass, I like that name. Every time it breaks this 4-hour high, it pulls back. It's not good. We don't like that. We don't like that. Like, break the high and drive. Why does it keep coming back? Nothing down here for you. It's really not trying to push, is it? It's really not trying to push. Alright, so both numbers expected to be over 50. It's the old ones. Oh yes, they are. I don't know why it doesn't show the previous ones. Alright, let's go back to take a quick peek. How did the last ones come out? So the last ones both came out over 50 as well, which is good for the economy, but it still missed. It still missed. I want to say it was mixed, but it didn't really go anywhere. So that's interesting. Alright, little push before news. We going? Kind of looks like a continuation pattern. Nah, the bearish candle's a bit too weak. I mean, it's not weak enough. Sorry, it's not weak enough. It's too strong. Strong, like large body, very small wick. Oh, that's the signal. That's the signal. That's the buy signal. Gold Pippin's out her trade. Now's the time to enter. Nah, this Pippin dip. Love it. Love it. Gold does not want to push. Gold does not want to push. It's so close to the daily flip. It was like right there. The sun is up. Anyone else still holding buys? Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm out for now. Alright. Dobby's done. Should break anytime soon. I mean, it keeps on breaking this 4-hour high and then it's just not giving a good push. First time my broker's frozen. Prices ain't moving. Jeez. Well, it looks like we're getting comfortable back in the Asian range. Here we go. Here we go. Are you in a trade, Mr. Tradesworth? Are you in these buys? Been in since 49.42. Nice. It's nice if you're in buys. It's not looking nice if you're in sells. Made a tiny profit, but that's good. Hey, any profits is good profits, man. Start somewhere, innit? Alright, so we're at the daily flip. If we can push past this. Yeah, man, we've got a nice clean road ahead. planning on from cents to whole dollars. That's it, man. Build slowly. Planning on being more disciplined this year. That's a good idea, man. Good plan. Very good plan. Discipline is what will keep you in the game. You know, it will keep you in the markets. As soon as you're not acting disciplined, that's when you start to lose money, because you're breaking your rules. You're not following the path that you know is profitable for you. So discipline means, you know, being ready to actually get to the charts, following your plan, all that. Oh, all right, so back to 49.60. Come on, get a retest of these highs. Stretch. Alright, closer above the daily flip. That would be a good sign. That would be a good sign. We're going to continue up. If we don't reject this daily flip, daily stays bullish. Struggling here. It is, man. It is. Well, you know, it's not like gold doesn't like a little pullback. You know, it's not the worst thing in the world. It's not the worst thing in the world. Oof. All right, gold. Do you reckon 5,000 coming soon? Oh, look at that continuation pattern on that hour. What a beautiful continuation pattern right here. Formed the support. Oh, this is actually so nice. Let me see. I'm gonna go to the bathroom very quickly and be right back. Just before this candle closes. Benny did. Miss Gold Pippin did. Dobby was already in the trade. I didn't take nothing here, man. We had news coming up. And same. Okay, Shay did too. Nah, the setups just weren't here for me. I find that I'm taking trades either like London session or after the stream. But these moves in here, they haven't been, like this time hasn't really been nice for me. Might have to adjust again, you know? Might have to adjust. But then the trades I have taken, they've just been absolute bangers. Some of them anyway, as Benny says. Do you stream London? Nah, I didn't stream London this week. I saw, so we had a lot of pound news this week, and after Tuesday, like I wouldn't trade the news candle. I'll trade the candle after. But what I did do is I took advantage of the retracement, because that's what happens a lot of time with pound news. You see, GJ will react and then the move retraces. So I took these sells on Tuesday. That was nice. But I was also in the gold buys at the same time. And then on Wednesday we had CPI. So this was CPI. Price dropped. Didn't take advantage of these buys because we were trading gold. But I believe Rosie took the buys up. But just the movement after news is just so nice. And then I don't think we had anything. We had retail sales this morning and PMIs, but that was all. I swear there was a gap. Was there a gap for PMIs? Did I make that up? Oh yeah, this is PMIs, and we had retail sales were here. And then some news came out about the yen and price just tanked. So I love a retracement. I do love a retracement after pound news. This I would not have anticipated like this, but this was something else. 200 pip drop. So yeah, I didn't stream it. Just realized that a majority of the time that when stream ends, gold moves fast and hard. I'm telling you, as soon as I end the stream, gold starts doing something crazy. It's a signal. And gold being right here at the daily flip, another reason I didn't want to get in here. Gold rejecting the daily flip 1 minute before news. Oh yeah, that consumer sentiment news. It's orange folder though, isn't it? You reckon it's gonna have much impact? Jumped out a while back, took my profs. Let's wait for new setup after news. 100%. Oof. This is not a nice pullback right here. This is not nice, man. Not nice. Get rid of this. What do we get? Bad numbers, good numbers. Bad numbers, good numbers. Very good numbers. Very good numbers. Very good numbers. Is good numbers good or bad for gold? So usually good numbers are bad for gold, typically. And how you check that out, Dobby, is you go into, like, if you go into Forex Factory and then you open this folder, it will tell you if the numbers come out actual, so the same, actual or greater. So if they come out the same as the forecast or higher, which is usually in green, then that's good for the currency. So in gold's case, it'll be good for USD. And then and that would be bearish for gold because it trades against the USD. So that's typically what that means. But any news I'm seeing this week, like I said yesterday, I anticipate a reaction, and then I expect gold to continue with the trend. So for example, this news, it was good numbers, bearish for gold, but you know, spike down and then continue bullish because gold is overall bullish. So that was like another reason why I took the buys yesterday. You know, we had that drop and then yeah, gold's gonna continue up, and it did. It did. Right now, the only thing like that's stopping me from buys is there's a few obstacles in the way. You know, the daily flip. If gold breaks this high, I get a closure above this resistance, I'm gonna get in. I'm just gonna wait there now. And then because my first target are these highs, my stop losses, like any entries down here for me would have made my stop losses too big. I would have been in a negative risk reward, which I don't like. So we're gonna get a wick fill. These 30-minute wicks are wicked though. They are wicked. Yeah, I've got to wait for a breakout. I'm gonna wait for a breakout. Ben, are you still in your buys? You must be out by now. You've had a good little push from when you got in. DXY in a buy zone, but it seems like it's still fighting to break its 4-hour support to the downside. Hopefully it does, and gold rallies to 5,000 despite the numbers. I still think gold's going up. I still think gold's going up. I think gold's going up. It's just, the structure of these candles just isn't great. It's just not nice. 1 hour looks a little bit cleaner, but we've just got a lot of wicks. Got a lot of wicks. 4 hour looks good. 4 hour looks great. You know, 4 hour pushed up, higher low, breaking the highs. Should get a closure above. And then bang. 4 hour looks amazing for that. If we can just break above these highs, then I think gold is good to go. Of course. But you know, I might have to end the stream just for gold to move. You know how it goes. You know how it goes. It waits for the stream to be over and then it takes off. You know how it goes. So I need what? 130 pips, $13. Gold can push up, rate is high. I know, right? Huge weekly candle. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. I'm done. 55. Give me my 1-2. You've been saying you're done like all day. You ain't done, bro. Just say you want to trade. Just trade if you see your thing. Don't keep saying you're done and you ain't done, because you ain't. You was monitoring 45 and then you were done. Now it's 55 and you're done. Just trade, yo. Yeah, that weekly candle is crazy. How long is it? What's the next level, Michael, man? Shit. Woo, 3,000 pip weekly candle. That's nice. That's real nice. That's real nice. Free money. Hey, listen, money ain't free out here, boy. Money ain't free. to get money, you have to risk money. Facts. 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 Alright, let me tell you guys what I'm waiting for now. Because I don't want you to be like, oh, you only take trades off stream and catch bangers. Yes, it is what it is, isn't it? The trades come when they come. It is what it is. So right now, I'm waiting for gold to finally break above, not even this resistance. I want gold to close above 49.65. And I'm taking a breakout. I'm taking a breakout and I'm holding to 5,000. And then maybe if gold gets to 5,000 and then pulls back, I might take some sells, you know, at the pullback, because I believe that's going to happen. And I don't think it's going to be a massive pullback, but I think we're going to get some reactions at 5,000. That's for sure. I just couldn't get in down here because it's, I don't like, you know, it's created a lot of wicks, a lot of top wicks. Look, we're breaking lows, we're breaking highs. It's just not the best price action. This candle just closed inside this previous candle. This wasn't the best. Lower time frame, there might have been some entries on a 5-minute, but I wouldn't even execute that on stream. I wouldn't even execute it. Pound yen, I'm not taking nothing on pound yen. And NAS, nah, I'm not taking NAS because NAS is just ranging. So NAS is forcing it. NAS is forcing it. So nah, just gold. Gold is the only thing that I'm waiting for. If we can, yeah, if we can get out of this range here. We're just ranging inside the Asian range. We're just ranging in here. Look. Yeah, it's not great. So yeah, above 49.65. I'm going to set an alert. Breakup structure. Boom, boom. Perfect. Oof. Lovely. Funded account giveaway. Yeah, you give it away. What you got? You can give away a funded account. It's difficult to give away a funded account unless you have affiliations with the company. And I haven't found a company that I like that does affiliates. So giving away a funded account, it's not really on the table for me. You know what I mean? There's too many out there. Because when you buy a funded account, I'll tell you why it's difficult as well. Because when you buy a funded account, you have to buy it. You buy it with your card and all of that, and then you have IP issues, and then when you want payment, it goes to the person who's paid for it. So it's not as easy as that, you know. If I find a good like I said, if I find a good firm and they're willing to do some giveaways, then I'll let you know. But until then, nah sir. Yo, let me shout you back in like 2 minutes. Alright. So yeah, closure above. Yes, give it to you. What do you mean, Michael? You're killing it. Free money. You don't need a funded account. You're good. You know what I mean? You're over there eating. You're eating. But yeah, man. Guys, I will see you next week. What do we have next week? What do we have? I'll be in the Discord though. You know how it goes. You know how it goes. What do we have next week? Ooh, we got interest rates next week. I believe they're gonna stay the same. Yeah, they are gonna stay the same. They're not reducing it anytime soon, but they're only planning for 2 reductions this year. So we have interest rates on Wednesday. That's gonna be interesting. And PPI on Friday. Sounds good, sounds good. Not bad. But yeah, guys, thanks for joining. As always, leave a like on your way out because we should have way more likes than this in here. Appreciate you, you know. Appreciate you. It's all I ask for, just some likes. And I will see you guys next week. Have a good weekend. Peace out.